Hello everyone, I like to gacha, be it inside mobile phone game or a blind box. So normally I don't buy a whole set because I love the thrill of gacha. Which for GV06 I have to get the whole set because I don't particularly dislike any of the figure in this wave. No Constructicon, no Cockless, no bad character. Another special thing about this wave is that the instruction manual actually show you what character that you will get, so you don't have to drop the book like this to guess what's inside, because the instruction already tell you now. On this rare occasion where I got everything in the wave, I want to rank them from worst to best. This is just my opinion, so obviously yours will be different with mine. But without further ado, let's start with the 9th place or the worst in this wave. In the last place in this ranking, we get Ratchet. It's just regular Ratchet, but now with flat line. The regular one has some pulse. Well, I don't really care about the regular Ratchet either, so this is going to be in the last place because I'm biased. On the second worst or the 8th place is Sunstreaker. Maybe if you have Sideswipe you will rank it higher. I actually have. If he came in another wave, maybe in wave 3 or maybe wave 4, I would really rank him higher than most of the character in that wave. But since he's in the GV06 and the competition are tight, he's the second worst, not because he's bad, but because he's just very plain. On the 7th place, we have Dirge, who is the first Conhead Seekers that appears in the Blockies line. So he has nice color. He has the blue and gold, similar to Sentinel from the GV05. I won't be surprised if someone put him as their favorite in this line. Not for me though. On the 6th place, we have Swoop in alternate form or in his pterodactyl form. The wingspan is really huge. It's about 3 blockies wide. The reason why I put him really low is because he doesn't have many posing options. The leg is just moving like this. The wing can fall. The missile actually are his gun in the robot mode. We will get to that later. The beam effect actually looks really nice, but that's it. Up next in the ranking, we have Wheeljack. The last wave we get the Cockless version of Wheeljack. We haven't seen the Kogut version of Wheeljack. This one is actually the G1 version of the Wheeljack. He has a really good separation for a blockies. I mean, the blue part is even separated. I'm not surprised if someone put him as the number 1 or their favorite figure in this wave. He's that good. As for the 4th position, we have the robot model of Swoop. Like I said in the altered version, he can actually store the weapon in the wing, like this, if he needs to. But sadly, there's no reason for him to store the weapon on his wing because we didn't get the sword with this version. I thought that Dinobot Owl should come with the sword, but he doesn't, so it's kinda disappointing. But he still looks cool. I mean, he get Prince on the type, which is kinda rare, usually only reserved for the secret rare version, but he got it. And he also get the huge wingspan, which around 3 blockies wide. If he came with the sword, I would really rank him higher. Now for the top 3, we have Kickback. So why he's in the top 3? Because he didn't came alone. He actually came with the other Insecticons. I forgot his name. I think it's Stack something. So you are essentially getting 2 characters in 1 box. The last time we get something like this was with the Starscream in GV02, where you can get the alternate mode of Megatron in the gun mode, And if it's also count, I think when you get Shockwave from GV04, you also get the transformed version of himself. But I don't think that count as 2 character. So Kickback give you 2 character in 1 box. That's actually a good deal. And the gun actually really unique with this barrel like this. So that's why I put him as the number 3 of this wave. And also the color separation really good. We are coming to the second place, and before this I have to tell you that the first and the second place are interchangeable. It's actually my bias talking. Now for real though, the second place is Optimus Prime, or right now he is Orion Pax. This is actually the secret version. Yes, I got the secret version purely by chance, but let's just pretend that I got the regular version. So talking about this particular version of Orion Pax is actually perfect. That's why I said that the first and the second place are interchangeable. I really cannot stress enough how cool this Orion Pax look. Even though there's only one skin set specific for the secret version, which kinda disappointing. I was actually expecting the regular version, but yeah, Fate really like to play prank on me. So I got the secret on the version that I don't particularly care for. And the first place is of course Megatron. I know that he is very controversial. He is the Megatron with the Autobot logo. He's actually an evil Megatron who turned good in the last minute, switch sides, change team. We already have good version of Megatron in the Shattered Glass. So why do Blockies make this one instead of that version? I don't know, but it actually looks really good. It's actually very different from the rest of Blockies because the forearm are cylindrical and the legs are actually very angular in shape, and this fusion cannon is not connected by a normal pack hole. Also the effect parts look nice. I wish he came with maybe other weapon like the mace, the beam mace, but that's fine with me. So like I said before, these two are interchangeable in terms of the ranking. I prefer Megatron because I am, like I said, I'm very biased, and if I get the regular version of the Optimus, I probably rank it as the number 1. I just don't really care about this version of the Optimus, of the Orion Pax with this color scheme. I think it's only show up in few panel. I don't even read a comic book. If you want to get this wave, the GV06, I say you should go for it. Everything in this wave is really solid. The worst that you can get is Ratchet, who is just a remold from the GV01. I think the rest of them are completely new mold. So if you want to buy it individually, you cannot lose in the gacha, since everything is really good. If you want to buy the whole package, it's also a good option. You may get the Secret Optimus just like what I have in here, Orion Pax. In my opinion, this pack has the best version of Optimus Prime, or technically Orion Pax, of any gacha Blockies. As for the Megatron, it's up to you whether you like the Megatron with the Autobot logo or not. If you like it, well, you should get this pack. For me, I think this pack also has the best version of Megatron of any Blockies, including the Shining version. So there's no reason for you to not get this pack. If you want both of them, just buy the whole pack. It will be easier. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys later.